Hi everyone, I'm Dhara Jaiswal. I'm a nutritionist and today on this World Food Safety Day, I would like to give you 5 very important tips. First very important tip, please use milk from dairy. Use pasteurized milk. Do not use raw milk because it has a lot of microorganisms. Secondly, we use a lot of frozen foods these days. So, frozen foods should be allowed to cool in the refrigerator only and not in the room on a platform in a normal room temperature, because room temperature will lead to microorganisms multiplying. So always thaw your food in the refrigerator or directly in the microwave and consume within 2 hours of thawing it. Third very important point, that you should always soak your fruits and vegetables in hot water or normal water for at least 30 minutes using alum so that the pesticides over it are washed off. Fourthly, the major ingredient in Indian cooking is coriander. So coriander has a lot of E. coli bacteria. To remove those bacteria, you have to wash it properly and always add it on the food for garnishing while the food is still cooking so that the heat would help destroy those microorganisms. And very important last point, lot of spices like turmeric, red chili powder are adulterated. So you have lot of tests available on the internet. Look for those tests to be done at home scale level to find out the adulteration. So stay safe, stay healthy, eat well.